help. Father, help me, oh God, oh Lord, that tomorrow by this time, next year by this time, my story will change. I will be called a fruitful woman. If you give me a child of my own, Jehovah, I will dedicate this child unto you. This child will live in your house forever and ever. My Lord, hear my prayer and answering me. Are you not the same God who answered Sister Esther?
My daughter,
Jehovah.
my daughter. What's the matter with you? It's so early in the morning. Are you drunk already? Please put away the wine and be sober.
I am not drunk, my Lord. I am not drunk. How can your daughter be drunk this early morning? I have a need. I have a need.
What is the problem with you then?
I need a child. I need a child. I need a child. And I promise I will dedicate this child unto the Lord.
Go in peace, woman. The Lord has heard your supplication and petition. Next year, by this time, you handle your own child.